At Rainy Day Basement Systems, we believe in the strength of unity. We're more than just a team. Today, we align as one tribe.
Rainy Day decided to go with Groundworks because it really was the best option after I spent months and even years thinking about what's the succession plan, what happens when I step aside at Rainy Day, and Groundworks is the best thing for my people and for our customers.
What excites me the most about this partnership is the huge growth opportunity.
We've kind of reached our peak as far as what we can do as a small company, and we're ready to see what we can do with the backing of Groundworks.
There's huge growth coming down the pipeline, and it's really exciting.
Now we have this huge manufacturing supply chain. We have this huge marketing team that's going to help everyone at Rainy Day and do things that they never thought possible.
We pursued Dan and Lovey Rainy Day for quite a while. One facet I'm really excited about is we're taking the great legacy of Rainy Day, been in business a long time, very good in their marketplace, partnering up with Matt Vey, together, united under one banner to dominate the Pacific Northwest.
We are really awesome at basements and crawl spaces, and they are really awesome at foundations. Together, we are just going to be unstoppable and be able to provide all the services to our customers.
By us both coming together under Groundworks, we're having an opportunity to unite and actually, grow. We can learn from them, they can learn from us, and we can take it to the next level together.
Our philosophy at Groundworks, which fits perfectly with Rainy Day, is we believe in the power of employee ownership. And as of today, Rainy Day employees will become Groundworks owners.
I think it's going to be huge for just families in general and a sense of being able to accomplish something that people never thought that they could.
Grow and develop into different areas that can really expand their futures.
Our employees are going to benefit from this partnership in a way that we weren't able to offer them.
As a small business, everyone has aspirations to become better, and this is going to allow them to do that.
Groundworks, they're coming into the Northwest, and we're getting an opportunity to go big with them.
Uniting together with Groundworks, I see us being able to take what we already have, the culture that we already have, and build on that, and elevate the lives of all of our people.
What I would say to my team about this partnership is, I love you guys, and I'm doing this for you.